Today I'm going to show you how to replace your clutch on your dirt bike or ATV. Now this here engine's off of a 1990 XR100. Should be the same for the XR80 too, and clutch is going to be the same for a lot of your bikes or ATVs. So this is kind of a general clutch repair. You're going to need to get new friction plates. I got those soaking in oil right there. You need to let them soak for a few hours, or I usually just put them in and let them soak overnight. And then I've got 3 metal plates, new springs, and you're going to need some of these little circlip pliers. Pull off a little clip, and a 10mm socket and wrench. So I've already pulled this side cover off of here. I had to pull the kickstart off. Was the first thing I had to do. Pull the cover off. And you have this little bearing here. Pull this little piece out. Set that to the side. Now you're gonna have a little clip right like this that you're gonna use these pliers for to pull off of this shaft right here. I already did that because sometimes you can wrestle that for a little bit. And you're going to pull the whole clutch pack out. Set that down. Make sure you inspect the sides of your clutch basket in here in case you have any big deep grooves or anything. Probably sand them down a little bit with a file or something. Try to clean it up, but make sure you don't take it down too far. 10mm socket. Try to get these loose. Those are on there. And loosen all these up. I'm not sure if this clutch was needing replaced or not, but I figured I had it all torn apart, so now would be the best time. Now once you get all 4 bolts out of here, lift this little piece off here. Go ahead and pull your old springs out. Set them over to the side. Now you're going to push these little pieces right here, and that'll pull this off. Now make sure, here's your friction plate. It's going to go friction plate, and you have a metal plate. Keep track of these. So remember, this start off with a friction plate. There's a friction plate, metal plate, friction plate. Don't look too awful, but definitely got some wear on it. Metal plate, friction plate, another metal, and then on last you have friction plate. Now so you can still see the lines on this, but they're not real defined, so this ain't gonna hurt to replace it. So now I'll get my new friction plates out. Put friction plate. Put one of my new metal plates on. Friction plate. Metal plate. And just keep going back and forth with these. Now you should start off with a friction plate and end with the last friction plate, the fourth one. Throw this back on, flip it over. Now I'll put my new springs on. Before you tighten this up, make sure you line all these plates so they're even. Probably won't hurt to go ahead and throw it in the basket so you're sure it's going to be even. Go ahead and put this in here. Get it all my plates lined up correctly. Pull these springs out. Okay. Everything feels like it's in there good. I'll go ahead and put my springs on. Get this piece here. Throw this on. Make sure your springs are all lined up and they're good. And start running your bolts on. Now, these new springs being stiffer, sometimes this can be a little tough getting these bolts started. I'll just try pushing on it and get a few turns. And I'll go diagonal. Do the same thing. That's about all there is to it. Put all these bolts back on. Put your clip on. Slide this piece here back in. You're good to go. I mean, I can sit here and let you listen to me tighten a couple bolts, but that's all you got to do. So, thanks for watching. Hope this helped you out. And please subscribe to my channel, and I'll keep on posting little tips.